Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be introducing you to conditionals. Conditionals are code structures which allow you to test if an expression or a condition returns true or not. They are used to perform different actions based on different conditions. The common conditional statements are an if statement. Basically, an if statement is used to specify a block of code that will be executed if a specified condition is true. We also have an else statement, basically that checks if the condition that is set within the if statement is true or false. If that is false, then the code inside the else block will execute. So the else statement will only come into effect if the condition set within the if statement returns false. So in my console, I've got a variable here that I've defined called my number, and I've given it a value of 7, and I'm using an if statement, which is a conditional statement, to test a condition. So I'm checking if the variable called my num is equals to 7. If it is, the code, this code here will be executed, which says console.log basically means it will print out this message inside this console. It will say lucky 7 if the condition is true. But looking at the condition, this condition is definitely true because the variable has a value of 7, and I'm just checking here. This is the condition. The expression inside the if, which is this here, is the test. Okay, so this uses the identity operator, which is this equals to here, to compare the value, to compare if this value here is 7, if it's equals to 7. If it is, it will print out that. So I'm just going to press enter and it will print out lucky 7 in the console. So in this case, the condition is true, so no other code needs to be executed. However, you can also create a condition in which you add an else statement, so that if the condition inside the if statement is wrong, then a different block of code will execute, which is located inside the else block. So here I've got another variable, same called my number. I've changed the value to 10, and here I've included two statements, the if statement and the else statement. So what happens is the comparison is made, the condition is tested, and the test